We were trying to figure out the total charge. They tell me that X is greater than 50. So for each 50 hours, the charge is going to be C dollars. And for any amount over $50, they're charged 40 cents for every 30 minutes. So let's say we got 51. Now 51 is 1 hour more than 50, and that's two 30-minute sections. So that means that we'll be ending up paying 2 times 0.4, which is the unit paying 80 cents more. So let's come up with a formula on how we get that 80. Well, we know it's going to be a 0.4 on the outside. 0.4 times the number of 30-minute 30-minute sections or sessions. I'm not sure what to call it. However many 30 minutes we are above 50 hours. So let's say it's 51. That would be 51 minus 50. But we need to figure out how many 30-minute sections are in there. And 30 minutes is 1/2 of an hour. So we need to divide by 0.5. Well, let's see about that. Let's rewrite that as 0.4 as 51 minus 50 divided by 0.5 is 1/2. Multiply top and bottom by 2, and that will give you 0.8 times 51 minus 50. So 51 minus 50 is 1 times 0.8, that'd be 80 cents plus that C dollars. So let's work. Let's try it for 52 hours. 52 hours, see if our formula works. So for 52, it would be, let's use this formula here, 0.4 times 52 minus 50 divided by 1/2. 52 minus 50 is 2. 2 times 0.4 is 0.8 over 1/2. Bring the 2 up, that's going to give you $1.60. And that makes sense. Okay, so now our formula then is 0.4 times, we don't know how many hours that's going to be, so let's call that X minus 50 over 1/2, which is 0.8, multiply top and bottom by 2, 0.8 times X minus 50. And that's just the additional amount over 50, so it would be C plus 0.8 times X minus 50. And that would be answer D.